Hey everyone, Guru here from the Guru Designing Lab. Welcome back to another SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are modeling exercise 21, a triangular support bracket featuring three hollow bosses connected by central webs. And this project is incredible for practicing reference geometry, midpoint constraints, and symmetrical extrusions. We will start by mapping out the triangular center position using the 150 mm and 173.2 mm dimension. Then we will sketch out the outer 80 mm rings and 50 mm through holes. Finally, we will use a mid-plane extrusion to get our 20 mm total thickness and then 10 mm thick connecting rods. Fire up SolidWorks and let's get designing. So first we need to close this exercise and start from a sketch. So go to new, select part, okay, go to plane, sketch, take some reference line, make it vertical and another midpoint line, make it for construction, select, make it for construction, go to smart dimension, make it for 86.6 mm, create another reference line right here, make it for construction, go to smart dimension and measure it for 150 mm, select OK, select a circle from a sketch tab and create two circles at this point, go to smart dimension and measure it for 80 mm and 50 mm. Select OK. Create another circle at here, same. Create a line of this midpoint line. Go to offset entities, select the entities, and parameters is 10 mm. Select OK. Go to offset entities. Sorry. Go to mirror entities. Entities to mirror. Select this line and mirror about this line. Select OK. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm. Select OK. Go to trim entities and trim all the extra entities which is not required at here. Select OK. Go to mirror entities and select all these entities and select mirror about. Select this line. Select also this. Select OK. You can see here and the sketch is complete and now we have to extrude it. So go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to, select here at mid plane and extrude it up to 20 mm. Select OK. Go to box extrude and select a sketch and show it here. Go to extrude boss base and select this line. Clear this selection. Select this contour of the thin feature. select midpoint and set it for 5 mm, 10 mm. Select OK. This is sketch. You can see here the sketch is complete. Now go to Parents tab, select OK. Select OK. Select OK. You can see here after color it. And that completes exercise 21 by utilizing mid-plane extrusion and symmetric constant. We built this bracket perfectly aligned with the origin. If this step-by-step breakdown helped you to understand the drawing section cut, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Lab and for more structured CAD practice exercise. If you had any trouble getting to connecting ribs and merge properly, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. This is Guru signing off. See you in the next designing challenge. Thank you guys.